You did good today. Really good. You might not see it. You might think it was just another day, but it wasn't. Every step you took today was a step forward, no matter how small. You faced challenges, you overcame obstacles, and you kept moving. Remember, every effort counts. Every bit of progress matters. You're building a better tomorrow with every action you take today. The struggles you faced, they're just stepping stones leading you to greater heights. You're stronger than you realize, more capable than you give yourself credit for. Be proud of yourself. You're doing the work, making things happen. Your journey is unique, and every twist and turn is shaping you into the incredible person you are meant to be. Sleep well, knowing that you are on the right path. Make today as beautiful as you can. Let no one take away your happiness. Smile and laugh at the negativity. You're good.
Vamos a ver el caliente ahora. Vamos a ver. Perfecto. El caliente y en todas los settings, vamos a ver. Excelente. El 4, el 3, el 2, el 1. Apagarlo. Ok. Perfecto. Y ahí los dos sensores están funcionando. Y el de atrás también. Ok. Nítido. Ahí me ahorré yo $350, señores.